time it is. It's time for the nyamins. Let's get into the recipe. So guys, this is my first video for the new year. I trust that your new year is going good so far. So guys, today Obi is in the kitchen, but Obi is a German. He don't speak English well, so I'll be the one doing the talking. But I will not talk too much because what he's doing is very easy to follow. What a way to start the new year with Obi in the kitchen. So there I have a baking sheet with parchment paper and some sliced bread, and over here we have some pineapple slices, some green onions here or scallion, and we have some butter over here, and we have some sliced cheese there, and we're also gonna use some ham. So he's basically applying strips of butter to the bread. And then next, you want to go in with the ham, 2 slices of ham. And now it's time to add the pineapple. I'm telling you guys, this recipe right here is one of our run-to recipes. Very tasty. I can have it for breakfast, lunch, or supper. Yes guys, I'm telling you, I really think your family will enjoy this recipe. Try it, and when you try it, I want you to comment below and let me know how was it. Alright, so now he's adding the cheese and he's going in with 2 slices, but you can add as little or less cheese as you like. So now it's time to add the spring onions, and that's the last step, and your oven should be already preheated, and we're gonna bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. So after 15 minutes, this is what our Hawaiian toast looks like. Very tasty guys. Lovely. You will really love this recipe. I'm telling you. Quick, easy, and delicious. You know I always come with the quick recipes. Yes. Guys, this is how we normally have our Hawaiian toast with some ketchup and some quark. And that's just basically it guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to share with your friends and family, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe for some more awesome recipes. Click that notification bell that says all, so whenever I make a new upload, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.